Hey there, it's Chip Frederick with Frederick Pinson and Associates. Usually my videos on this site are more in the educational mode as far as understanding your coverages for businesses and for your personal lines and also life insurance. But today I'm going to give you some tips on what's going on as far as coverages with the pandemic that's going on with COVID-19. We're finding that almost in all cases, we have not found one policy that covers this as far as a business income. Now, what is business income? That is the profits that your business loses as a result of being closed. In a normal situation, for example, if you had a fire and you were a restaurant, then your normal business income that you used to get for a time period would be covered. But we are finding that this is not the case with this pandemic. So what's going on? What are insurance agents trying to do? I do know that the independent insurance agents lobby, the Big I, as we call it, a national, is working with Congress and the legislatures trying to find some relief for businesses in future bills. And we do know that if there is a industry, an organization that's going to fight for their insureds and for their agents, it is the Big I, the Insurers of Tennessee being the state organization, and then the Big I, the Independent Insurance Agents of America, are working to try to get some traction with Congress. But what does this mean for your business? We are finding in all cases that this is not covered, a covered peril for your business or organization, unfortunately. So what is the next steps? Make sure, if you're a business owner, that if something comes down the pike, and this isn't promised, that you have vital records as far as your income, your business, keep those in a safe place. So if it does come to fruition that some relief is offered by the government, that you'll be able to turn those in. Insurance agents might be part of that solution. There is some talk that insurance agents would be the kind of facilitator for the government if a program were to occur, and that's where we would come in for our insureds to help them in filling out the forms and explaining the issues with them. Again, this is nothing promised. This is being worked on a federal and state level, but mainly the federal level, almost in a bailout. The question has been asked, why is this not a covered peril? Well, insurance is not meant to be covering every single thing that could happen in the world. And in fact, if this were a covered peril, you would see thousands of insurance companies go bankrupt. They wouldn't be able to pay, because if you think about it, fires happen, tornadoes happen, floods happen, but they only happen at a local level or within a couple miles of each other. This is a world issue that insurance companies would not be able to cover even if there were coverage. So important to understand that. If you have any questions about your policy and your customer, or you're just a business owner or an individual have questions about how this could affect you, our office is open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Call our regular number, 615-327-0105. We are working remotely, but we're answering the phones just like we were there. If you have any other information about our agency, want any other information, you can check our website at fpa.insure. Stay safe.